Once upon a time in the quaint town of Meadowville, two friends named Alex and Emma shared an unbreakable bond. From childhood adventures to adult challenges, their friendship stood the test of time. Alex was the adventurous type, always seeking out new experiences and pushing boundaries. Emma, on the other hand, was the calm and grounded one, providing a steady presence in Alex's life. One summer, the duo embarked on a hiking trip to the majestic Star Peak Mountain. The journey was tough, with treacherous paths and unpredictable weather. But Alex's determination and Emma's unwavering support kept them moving forward. They laughed in the face of adversity, their shared memories fueling their spirits. As they reached the summit, a breathtaking sunset painted the sky with hues of orange and pink. Sitting side by side, they reflected on their journey and the strength of their friendship. Alex confessed that without Emma's support, the adventure wouldn't have been the same. Emma, in turn, revealed that Alex's enthusiasm had turned even the most challenging moments into unforgettable memories. Years passed, and life took them on separate paths. Alex pursued a career in travel journalism, while Emma became a successful environmental lawyer. Despite their busy lives, they continued to stay connected, sharing stories and offering each other guidance. One day, tragedy struck when Emma's father fell seriously ill. She was devastated and overwhelmed. Without hesitation, Alex hopped on a plane and flew across the country to be by Emma's side. Together, they faced the difficult time, reminding each other of their unbreakable bond. After Emma's father recovered, they decided to celebrate their friendship with a surprise reunion trip. They chose a remote island, where they relived their favorite memories and created new ones. On their last night, they gazed at the stars and made a pact to always be there for each other, no matter the circumstances. And so, the story of Alex and Emma's friendship continued, a testament to the enduring power of companionship. Through all of life's ups and downs, they remained each other's rock, showing that true friendship can weather any storm and bring joy to every journey. As the years went by, Alex and Emma's bond only grew stronger. They celebrated each other's successes and supported each other through failures. Emma stood by Alex's side as he published his first book, a collection of travel stories that captured the essence of their adventures together. Alex, in turn, provided a steady voice of reason when Emma faced tough decisions in her legal career. Their friendship became an inspiration to those around them. People admired their ability to communicate without words, their shared glances conveying volumes. They often joked that they could finish each other's sentences, a testament to the depth of their connection. One day, as they were reminiscing about their childhood, Emma revealed a hidden dream she had kept locked away. She had always wanted to open a community center for underprivileged children, a place where they could learn, play, and grow. Alex's eyes lit up with excitement, and without hesitation, he offered to help turn her dream into reality. They combined their strengths, Alex's storytelling skills and Emma's legal expertise. Together, they embarked on a journey to secure funding, find the perfect location, and build the community center from the ground up. It was a challenging endeavor, but their determination and friendship proved to be a driving force. Finally, on a sunny day, the community center opened its doors. It was a haven for children, a place of laughter and learning. The center bore the names of both Alex and Emma, a testament to their friendship and the impact they had on their community. As they stood in front of the center, watching children play and learn, Alex and Emma shared a proud and tearful moment. They realized that their friendship had not only enriched their lives but had also touched the lives of countless others. Their journey together had come full circle, and they knew that no matter where life took them, their friendship would forever remain the cornerstone of their happiness. And so, the story of Alex and Emma continued to inspire, reminding everyone that true friendship was a rare and precious gem that when nurtured, could light up the darkest corners of the world. As the community center flourished, Alex and Emma found themselves juggling their responsibilities while still making time for each other. They organized fundraising events that brought the town together, showcasing their creativity and determination. Their shared experiences, from late-night planning sessions to heartwarming interactions with the children, continued to cement their bond. One day, while going through old photographs, they stumbled upon a snapshot from their hiking trip to Star Peak Mountain. The memory of that adventure brought a smile to their faces, and they decided to embark on another journey, this time to revisit the place where their friendship had truly blossomed. Upon reaching the summit, they were met with a breathtaking view that seemed to stretch to the ends of the earth. As they sat down, the memories of their past flooded back. They reminisced about their struggles and triumphs, their dreams and aspirations, and how their friendship had remained a constant in their ever-changing lives. With the sunset painting the sky in brilliant hues once more, Alex turned to Emma and said, "You know, they say a friendship like ours is a once-in-a-lifetime gift. And I believe that with all my heart." Emma smiled, her eyes glistening. "I couldn't agree more. Our journey together has been nothing short of extraordinary." In that moment, they made a pact to continue exploring life's adventures side by side, to support each other through every challenge, and to never let the spark of their friendship dim. Their story became a legend in Meadowville, a tale of friendship, perseverance, and the power of dreams. The community center they had built together continued to thrive, leaving a lasting legacy of their compassion and dedication. As the years rolled on, Alex and Emma faced the inevitable changes that time brings. They celebrated milestones, navigated heartaches, and embraced the beauty of growing older together. Their hair turned silver, but their spirits remained as youthful as ever. On one particularly starry night, sitting by a campfire in their favorite clearing, Alex looked at Emma and said, "You know, we've lived quite the adventure, haven't we?" Emma chuckled. "Indeed we have. And the best part is, our adventure isn't over yet." And so, the story of Alex and Emma continued, a testament to the enduring strength of friendship, the beauty of shared dreams, and the unbreakable bond that had shaped their lives. They faced the future with open hearts, ready to create new stories and cherish every moment together.